Blissal Towel Review 2025 Legit Quality Towel or Overhyped Product. Honest test. Most people get this wrong by assuming all luxury towels are just marketing hype. The surprising truth is that Blissal towels deliver impressive softness, absorbency, and durability, making them worth considering. The towel is made from high-quality cotton, offering a plush feel that dries quickly. You won't believe how thick yet lightweight it is, striking the right balance between comfort and efficiency. Customers report it maintains shape and colour even after multiple washes, which is uncommon for budget options. The edges are double-stitched to prevent fraying, and the size is generous for bath, spa or pool use. Some users note the price is higher than basic towels, but the quality justifies the investment. The surprising truth is that investing in a good towel significantly improves daily comfort and longevity compared to cheaper alternatives. In conclusion, Blissal towels are a legit quality product, not overhyped. Most people get this wrong by underestimating how much material and craftsmanship matter. If you want soft, absorbent and durable towels, Blissal is worth it.